welcome. This is Lily, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make your very own Yoni steam blend. Today we're using 4 different herbs, starting with red raspberry leaf, which is known to tone the uterus, and we're also using chamomile, which is one of my very favorites. Moving on, we're using rose petals and calendula, which, by the way, smells amazing. So we're going to be making a mixture of 1 cup. And this is my Yoni steam basin for the toilet seat. It's very practical and I got it from Amazon. I highly recommend it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Yoni steaming is an ancient practice that uses herbs or plant medicine to support a woman's natural healing process. Yoni steams, cleanses, rejuvenates, restores, and strengthens the womb and body. It's also a great way to reconnect with yourself on an emotional, spiritual, and physical level. For this entire process, I recommend that you clean and sanitize your working area, the toilet seat, and wash your hands. Make sure the water is not too hot because you can burn your kitty. Trust me from experience. Physical benefits of Yoni steaming include a reduction in pain, bloating, or exhaustion associated with menstruation, decreases heavy menstrual flow, regulates irregular or absent menstrual cycles, and it can heal or tone your reproductive system after giving birth. You're going to steep the herbs for about 5 minutes. Place the seat on top of the toilet. Sit down and cover your bottom half with a towel and sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can read a book, go on Instagram, meditate, or do whatever you please. Guys, this is my baby. His name is Beast and he's saying hi. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.